Thank you. You can deglove properly, and you can take your goggles back to your seat because you're going to need them for later. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to let this sit while waiting. The students will watch a video on microorganisms and review and identify microorganisms under the microscope. This activity will give students a chance to improve their microscopy skills and develop a better understanding of microorganisms and what their roles are in helping to clean our environment. A microorganism sample will be provided to you from the wastewater treatment plant. Wearing gloves, mix the sample and pipette 1 drop of sample onto a slide and add a cover slip. Place the slides on the microscope and locate microorganisms while your students watch the video. You will see different organisms underneath the microscopes. What I want you to do is to observe the microscopes and then take a few minutes to discuss the age, type, and role of microorganisms commonly found in wastewater. You can expand the discussion about microorganisms to their use in stream monitoring and other areas. Pass out gloves before going to the microscopes and teach each student how to properly remove gloves after the activity is complete. Remind the students of safety when handling chemicals and microorganisms. Students should not bring pencils or pens to the microscopes. Only the scanning and low objective lens should be used. The highest power tends to obscure the microorganisms. Have them identify the microorganisms they see using the poster provided. Once they have identified a couple of different microorganisms, they can remove and throw away their gloves and wash their hands. The students can now draw their microorganisms either from memory or from the poster and answer the questions in the workbook.